Over the last couple months, the community has been asking us to help organize a new group to support Hispanic, Latinos, and our allies in cybersecurity and technology careers in a variety of ways. So after many weeks of hard work, I want to welcome you to the launch of Raíces, the Hispanic Association in Cybersecurity. I hope you enjoyed that video. Our Twitter and website are now live. In case you missed it, please follow us on Twitter at RaícesCyber.org. Also, please visit our website at www.raicescyber.org. And on the main page, click Join Us. This will allow us to send you updates on the organization and our newsletter of events. Please note, some of these areas in the website are still under construction. In the next coming days, a new Discord community server will be activated so that the community can start networking. We will announce this through the newsletter, so make sure you enroll. In addition to all the online activities, we're hoping to set up city chapters in the following weeks. So there is a local presence in your area for meetups and local activities, so stay tuned for that. If you're interested in leading one of these chapters or helping us, please contact us through the website in the volunteer section. In addition to that, we will be starting a brand new weekly live show called Raíces Live on Wednesdays at 7 p.m. starting on September 1st. If there's any interest, we will also do one in Spanish. Comment below if this is of interest. Raíces needs your support. The Raíces community needs your support. But what can I do, you may ask? So number one, go to the site and register for the newsletter. Number two, if you want to lend your support, please go to the website, fill the volunteer form. We need volunteers with all different types of skills. Go and fill the volunteer contact form. There is a button on the main page. Number three, go to Twitter. Follow RaícesCyber.org and share with your friends. Say hello while you're there. And number four, if you can, go to the website, donate by clicking the donate button so that we can continue supporting the infrastructure needed to make this a success. Over the next coming weeks, we will be introducing new events and give you more information about Raíces. So stay tuned to our social media channels. Please share this video and all the social media addresses with all your friends. Don't forget, like this video, share, subscribe to this channel, and thank you for watching and supporting us. Till the next time, let's get stronger together and let's go Raíces.